Hey guys, it's Susie Parker, founder of Sleep Baby Love. I am a professional sleep consultant, but I like to call it a sleep challenge crusher. I am so excited to tell you a little bit about me right now. And first thing I want you to know is I'm not just a mom who is a sleep consultant and doesn't know anything about it. I know everything because my kids were never great sleepers. It's just the truth. I'm getting it out there. I don't know, maybe people would love if you have the two beautiful sleepers at home and didn't have any challenges, but I had so many challenges that I had faced head on that I draw a ton from my personal experience. So my oldest daughter's name is Brooke. She is turning 5 and we're in 2015. And she was my first, and we did so many things wrong, but we kind of got through, did the first time mom thing of, oh, I'm sure she's doing fine, even though she had a pacifier until age 3. But my youngest, Mia, came around when Brooke was 2, and she just came out of the womb with these like really bright eyes and really just like unable to like kind of settle and fall asleep. So I knew really early on, I knew in those like first couple days that we were just going to really struggle. I had to get her to sleep. It's the only way to help her fall asleep. And we did this for month after month of just trying and focusing and just spending all of our energy to get her to fall asleep. And then you had my fun little toddler at the time, Brooke, who was 2. She said, hey, Mom and Dad, you don't have a great sleeper, so let me jump out of my crib. And we were like, oh, we have to convert to a toddler bed. And that was just the biggest nightmare. So not only did we have this baby who didn't sleep, we also had this toddler who wasn't sleeping, and we had kind of a hot mess going on for quite some time. So the great news is that I get fascinated with sleep. I actually learned a ton of information on my own, just kind of surfing the web. But there was so much information out there. So I realized that there's actually a market to help other moms or dads, help families really get through the process of having this challenging sleeper. So that's when I became a sleep consultant. I was actually certified through the Family Sleep Institute, and about 1.5 years later, I started my business, and that's 1.5 years later after having my daughter going through all of her sleep challenges. So here I am, probably been doing this about 2 years. My girls are going to be 5 and 3, and I definitely have the personal experiences. So when clients come to me and they say, oh my God, I have really bad sleepers, I say, well, you know what? So did I, and we're going to get through this. So that's a little bit about me on the professional side. On the personal side, I just want to let you know that I love ice cream. I personally think that ice cream should be like instead of dinner. You shouldn't have dinner and then ice cream. You should just have ice cream. But as a mom trying to set some good examples, I don't do that in our household. But I do love ice cream, and I love cheering for my clients, and I love great sleepers, and I kind of love sleep in general, which maybe makes me a little weird, but I hope that you enjoyed learning about me, and I can't wait to get to know a little bit more about you. You can find me at www.sleepbabylove.com.